I'm wearing some that I made like last summer, and I'm also wearing this Peruvian opal necklace that I made. I love making these beautiful bracelets because they're so fun to wear. So I found this really cute blue lace agate heart bracelet at the gem store, and a rose quartz heart bracelet, and pearls that I made into a bracelet, and they just have such a big selection of gemstones. So I beaded them right here, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I used this stretchy magic cord, and I just beaded everything on one by one. And then when I was done, I made sure that it fit onto my wrist. You don't want to make it too tight. You want to leave a little bit of room. And I did that for every bracelet, which is a lot. And then finally, we tie the knot, which is a surgeon's knot. And that's typically like 1, 2, 3 ties. I kind of tried to show you guys. It's honestly hard to show you though. So if you really want to know, I would go on YouTube and try and find a better tutorial. But it's like actually not too bad. And that keeps it from falling apart. And you also have to like glue it, but you really want to stretch it tightly and make sure that nothing falls off because you don't want the beads to fall off. And this is just really fun. It's really relaxing to bead bracelets because you can just like zone out and get into the rhythm of putting the beads on. And afterwards, they look so cute. Sorry, here I was talking to the girl that was there. So then afterward, I put a little bit of glue onto the knot just to keep it from falling apart. And you can use super glue. So then you have to wait for the glue to dry on the knot. And that's like maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes, not that much. And this is my favorite pearl bracelet. They're just like such cute pink pearls, and it goes with all of the pink pastel soft tones that I've been wearing so much this summer. And I also got a big potato pearl bracelet, which are just like bigger pearls, and that one's really cute. But I love my blue lace agate heart one, and my citrine, and my Peruvian opals, and my blue angelite was also my favorite too. That is such a cute one. So I'm cutting off the rest of the cord so I can keep it on my wrist without it like poking me. And that's it, guys. We're done. So those are my bracelets that I made. I really like the way they look. They also offer a lot of unique properties, and they just feel awesome on the skin, especially in the summertime when you want some like light jewelry. And the stack is just so cute. It really goes with everything.